I'll show you how you can add Google AdSense to your Google Sites here. Now, you can't add it directly on the Sites section here because it's not allowed, but you can get around this by going to Ads here. And then on Ads here, for example, let's just go by Ad Unit here. And then I already have a couple of ads here, for example, right? The thing I want to do is that, for example, I want this ad here, example, and I want it to be on my Google Sites here. So the thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to tap on this button here, Get Code. Now, on this Get Code session here, you'll see an element that looks like this. It'll look pretty complicated, but I promise you, it's pretty simple here, right? You can make sure that this is the correct ad as well because you can see there'll be the name right there. Now, all you have to do is that you want to click on this button to copy. After that, you want to go to Untitled Site here. Now, on the site here, on the one you want to add an ad to, you want to go ahead and tap on this button to embed. After that, you want to go ahead and go to Embed Code. After that, you want to paste in the code here. And then you want to go ahead and tap on this blue button here. Now, it'll show an empty white screen on mine because my ads doesn't have anything. It's just an empty white screen. After that, you just want to tap on Insert. And then you can see there's this block here that's going to appear now. Now, again, mine is an empty white screen because my ad doesn't have anything on it. But on yours, it should have something if you have elements and images added here.